Ebright was in 7th grade when he took part in real, we can say, science fair actually. There he showed a kind of frog tissues, okay, and he didn't get any prize for that. Many winners got the prize because their experiments were real. They were showing real experiments, but his frog tissue experiment was just a display. Under a microscope, he showed it only. So there he lost, but actually he after losing, he was not discouraged. He understood that he tried to do something else. He had to do something real. Okay, already the competitive spirit that drives Richard Ebright was experiencing. I knew that for the next year's fair I would have to do a real experiment, he said, and the subject I knew most about was the insect work I had been doing in the past several years. Okay, next year when he got ready to take part in the science fair again, he thought he has to do some he had to do something else, and he had to do something in that field where he is very expert, and he was expert in collecting butterflies. Clear? For several years he had been collecting butterflies. So he wrote a letter to Dr. Urquhart. Now who is Dr. Urquhart? The writer of the book The Travels of Monarch 10, okay, for ideas, and he gave a reply also to him. Okay, those kept Ebright busy all through high school and led to the prize projects in county and international science fair. Clear? So this way he got busy in collecting butterflies, and he was just doing experiment with butterflies only. And in 8th standard, what happened, he tried to find the cause of viral disease that kills nearly all monarch caterpillars every few years. Ebright thought the disease might be carried by a beetle. He tried raising caterpillars in the presence of beetle. It didn't get any real result, he said, but I went ahead and showed that I had tried the experiment. This time I won. Okay, so next year Ebright was trying to find the reason of viral disease in monarch butterflies, in monarch caterpillars. Okay, first of all he kept some caterpillars, okay, in the presence of beetles, because everybody was thinking this was happening just because of a beetle. The beetle was bringing a viral disease to caterpillar. Okay, but he could not get any real result, but at least he tried a lot. For that try and for his hard work, he got many, we can say, he won in the science fair. Next year his science fair project was testing the theory that viceroy's butterflies copy monarch. The theory was that viceroys look like monarch because monarch don't taste good to birds. Viceroys on the other hand do taste good to birds. So the more they look like monarch, the less likely they are to become the bird's dinner. Okay, next year he took part in the science fair and he explained many theories related to monarch butterflies.